Hey, hi friends. So friends, I'm live now. So you can join the session, and those who are having any doubts, okay, related to their career or anything related to interview process or organization point of view, any query you can ask, technology related queries or anything you can ask to me. I'm happy to answer your question, my friend. So sorry for joining late. I know I'm a bit late, 5 minutes or 6 minutes. So my apologies for that one. But yeah, you can come online and you can ask your questions, my friend. I have seen many comments, my friend, recently. Okay. And yeah, so if you have any doubts, so this is the best platform where you can ask your questions. Okay. So I'll answer your question. This is purely dedicated for all of my viewers. Okay. Those who are subscribed or not subscribed also, they can ask questions, my friend. It's a open platform because most of the technology, or you can say the tools nowadays which we are using, it's mostly open source only, right? So this is the best way to ask your question. You can ask, you can shoot your question, and I'll answer your questions. And at the end of the session, there is a big announcement for all of you. Hey, thank you. I can see someone joined. So can you tell me your name? So, friends, there is a very big announcement. That is what I am telling you. If those who are going to join this session, definitely they are going to get the benefit. Okay, so please join the session now. This live streaming, and at the end of the this live streaming, I am going to announce that big announcement for those who want to learn or who want to get into this IT industry, or who already into this IT industry and wants to upscale their career. So for them, it's uh, big news. So please come online and you can ask your question. So there is also one thing just wanted to tell you guys, because I have seen most of you, not only in the community post or right, where few of the YouTubers are, right, they are just taking money for the classes and all, right. So yeah, I've seen those things, but I am going to make sure, my friend. So whatever I am taking, that is nothing, okay, from you, and it's good. I can see one person join. Can you tell me your name? I can see two-person join. Okay, so if you can tell me your name, so you can ask your question. Hey, hi, Kiran. Okay, Kiran. Okay, so thank you, Kiran, for joining this session. Okay. Kiran, I think you are already my member. But anyways, this is a open platform for everyone. Okay, and you can ask your question straightforward. And for my members also, that is what I wanted to tell, that for all of my member who has joined my membership, for them I am already taking every day, not every day, I can say every alternate day session on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 1 hour session, friends. Okay. So those who are willing to join as a member, they can join the session, friends. Okay, because if you will be joining as a member, definitely you are going to get the benefits. Okay, you have never expected those things, that is for sure. Because see, in a live session like this, it's very difficult for me here to present or to show anything. Okay, so in my members, or you can say in the member program or the membership, where I'm inviting all of my members to come on Teams. Okay, and normally I'll send them a link so they can join that Teams link. Okay, and from there I can solve their queries or doubts, any queries or doubts at the same time from this Monday onwards. Okay, Kiran, this is for you if you are there. Okay, so there will be classes I am going to start now. Okay, this is the big announcement. I thought to go and tell you at the end of the like this live streaming, but I am telling you this is the big announcement, friend. So I am going to help everyone, whether you are a fresher, you are 1 year experience, 2 year experience, 4 year experience, 8 year experience, 12 year experience, whatever experience you are have. You are a Linux administrator, application support engineer, a production support engineer, or a DevOps engineer, or you are a cloud engineer. Okay, anyone you are. Okay, so I am going to start a live classes from tomorrow onwards. And if you are willing to be part of that live classes, my friend, so you can join my that live classes there. You will, I know, there I am not going to name anyone here. There are so many classes, live classes are going on. You also know they are charging how much. They are charging minimum 30,000, 40,000, at least 20,000. Even recently I was going through one of the community post. I have seen one of the YouTuber, he's writing, he's charging 10,000 rupees for the course. Would you believe it? He's charging 10,000 rupees. What is the point of, so what is the point of YouTube? Then why you are working as an open source, or you are working in an open source tool? If you can't contribute in a community, okay, where everyone is seeking job or wants to upskill their career, yes, there are some minimum amount of, see, what I'll tell you, why I am doing this. I don't need anything from you guys. Okay, this is for sure. Okay, why I don't need? God has given me any everything. Okay, and I'm happy to do my job. It's all about knowledge sharing. So if we share our knowledge to our youth or whoever, okay, so obviously we are contributing to our country. Okay, that is what my intention is, my friend. So automatically, see, if you will be learn and earn, ultimately everyone's standard of life will be here. Don't treat yourself as an individual. Okay, so money cannot be there last forever. One day you will die and you have to leave everything here. Okay, so I'm not taking this thing in some other direction, but very professionally I'm talking. If you know something, then please share with everyone, so that everyone should get benefit out of it, right? That is the meaning of life. If you share your knowledge will be only increase, right? I'm already working professional, man. Okay, and I'm taking my time, I'm giving my time to you. Okay, so that everybody, so the struggle or the path which I came from, the struggle what I had, you should not have in your life. As of now, I did not bought any membership in any YouTube channel. I just bought yours just because of your knowledge and the way of your teaching, and it's helped me for further growth. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you. And guys, Kiran already knows. Kiran, if you can tell here only how much I am charging, Kiran, for the membership. If you tell me how much I am charging for the that one, compared to, see, my intention is maximum audience or most of us will get job. Because whenever I am hearing this word now, I am very upset. So I don't blame someone. If you have to blame someone, then blame yourself. Don't point your finger. If you know there is something in you, if you point some finger on someone, so three fingers is on your side, my friend. Okay, one finger is on other side, means you have to blame yourself. If you know something, see, that is what Kiran is writing, hardly 150 rupees, my friend. That is less than a pizza or a burger nowadays, you know, right? So this is what, if you will join my membership, my friend, okay, so the big announcement is, so every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, okay, I am going to take live sessions. Okay, and what is this live session is all about? This live session is going to be your Linux, your finally your cloud. I am going to cover one cloud, one another thing I am going to cover, your DevOps tool. Okay, and at the same time I am going to cover one automation tool. It's not only mentorship I am going to do it for you. Okay, it's not only I am going to take the mock interviews for you. It's a purely end to end, complete, from scratch. You have seen when people are putting, so learn my tutorial from scratch to advanced level. No, they are putting, but it's my promise that I am going to do it from the scratch, from taking you to learn the path I am going to take you through. It's going to upscale your career. That is Linux, that is cloud, that is your DevOps tools, and finally I am going to teach one automation tool, and finally in that one I am going to give you, I am going to take your mock interview. At the same time I am going to help you to how to prepare for this, what I can say, for the interviews, my friend. Okay, so these things, this is the big announcement. Tanwar, right? Tanwar, is that your name? Kiran. Okay, thank you, Kiran. So, if you guys have any question, this is why I thought to make an announcement here and join my membership, my friend, more and more. Okay, so Yogesh. Okay, thank you, Yogesh. Earlier, I thought, so I was getting confused with your comments previously. But Yogesh, Kiran, okay, because see, you will not believe, there are already members who are, I am not putting those videos already, which is because there are already sessions happened in like last week with Manish. You have already seen his video. He has given mock interview. I have taken his mock interview, and now he is going for entity data. I'm openly saying entity data for the interview. You'll not believe. So now he is so much of confidence. He is telling, "Sir, I'll crack." Okay, and there is already one of my member who is already selected now. Okay, Kalyan. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys. So I don't want to take credit for anything. It's you only. God has given me enough. Okay, I'm happy whatever I am, and my main intention is everybody should learn and earn. Okay, so it's our responsibility to make sure our GDP will be at top. Okay, so if everybody will be, everyone life will be happy, so you will be happy. Okay, so this is what my intention is. And yes, what I was telling my friend, so in that session, in the last session, like few of the members, they are asking, sir, is there any fee for that one? So I told them that, see, I am not charging anything. You join my membership. Okay, if you willing to give me something, because anyways, whatever, I'm not going to ask like give me 10,000, 5,000 also. Okay, so if whatever, if you are willing to, so anyways, your money, I am not going to become rich. Okay, I am not going to become Tata or Birla. Okay, or anyone. Okay, I that is not my wish. Okay, I just wanted to make sure, and even this money, whatever I am getting from you guys, I am going to put for some good reasons. Okay, I'm going to help. That is what it is there with me. I'm very straightforward person, my friend, I'm telling you, and I'm honest with the things. So I'm going to help who is need of, if I'll get, okay, more and more members will be joining. So you know how much YouTube pay for us for that. Okay, and that money I'm going to put for all of the like poors and all. Okay, those who don't have food to eat. Okay, like them, I used to, even before you guys also I was doing that one. But yeah, once you guys will be now, I have started this one. Okay, so to make sure everybody should be, I know you cannot make everyone happy, but at least if you can make some 5 or 10 people's happy. Okay, whatever you earn in your life, that makes peace inside you. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to do. And thank you, Yogesh, and thank you, Kiran, for joining the membership. So guys, this is all about, okay, don't worry. And please ask your questions now. Sir, my knowledge is zero, please teach me. Okay, so you guys don't worry. As I told before, also, I am going to Teja. Okay, hey, hi Teja. So Teja, I think you have just now joined. So there is an announcement. I told that for the for just to first I'll answer Yogesh question. So Yogesh, don't worry. Okay. Anyways, I am going to teach you. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yogesh, 100%. It's not only you. Okay. So I am going to take you through. Okay, whether you are an experienced or a fresher. So the way I am going to cover, or the way I am going to take for everyone, it's very well planned. Because previously also I was taking classes, but due to my health issues, my friend, okay, I dropped it. I'll tell you very honestly. In 2018, I have already started. I was taking classes. It's not only you, just this YouTube channel. It is very long way. Otherwise, if I would have started putting video from that point of view, till now you can understand. I've already started in 2018. Okay, so you can see few of my videos are 3 years old. Before that only I was started taking classes for DevOps. Now I have seen so many YouTubers, they came and they are taking hell lot of money from, they are making fool, okay, to others. So no, in my case, don't worry about that one. Because the money which I am just asking you to join as a member, you know, it's nothing. Okay, and so my main intention is to, you should get knowledge, and you should learn and earn. Okay, so anyways, Yogesh, for you it's going to be Linux. See, the course what I am going to cover is, I am telling you very honestly, first I am going to cover the main thing of the Linux. And secondly, I'm going to cover the cloud. In cloud, I'm going to cover AWS. And if you will continue like this, I'm not going to stop in future. So I'm going to teach you Azure also. I'm going to teach you cloud means GCP also. So as I told you, I have a hell lot of a versatile experience with me. Okay, so I have worked on all these three clouds. Okay, and there is something called your DevOps tool. So in DevOps tool, some 5 to 7 tools in some previous live streaming also I told. So you, those 7 to 8 tools I am going to teach you. Okay, plus one automation tool, that is Terraform. Okay, so then you'll think who I am. Okay, just start. Okay, just start coming to my live membership program. Okay, every Monday day, 1 hour I'm going to take every alternate day. Because see, I need to do my job also. As I told before also, I was handling a team, and I'm at a very responsible position in my organization. And due to due to some reasons, I cannot tell you my current organization. You are smarter than me. Okay, you know in which organization I am currently working. So you can go and check. Okay, so but anyways, that is what my roadmap for you guys. Most of you are asking, sir, what is the roadmap of like DevOps engineer? How? So see, these are, I can make videos and put in YouTube. Okay, that I can make it. But in a live session, how it will be exactly? So it should be like this only. Okay, so you need to know your Linux. You need to know you one of your cloud. That is the current market trend, and that is the current market requirement. Third thing is your DevOps tools. Don't directly jump into the DevOps tools. That is my suggestion. If you don't know, because see, I have seen so many They are putting that, they are teaching directly, they are telling, okay, see, you have seen nowadays there is something called production support. Most of you are asking, sir, what is production support, what is production support? And soon I am going to put a mock interview for that also, then you will come to know what is the production support. Production support means what? Production support can be anything, my friend. That is what a DevOps role, I have already explained. It could be your vulnerability remediation, it could be your migration activity, you are automating a pipeline, you are automating your infrastructure, right? It could be your patching activity. So this kind of a stuff. But in production, okay, support, what we used to do is, like, your Tomcat is there, your Nginx is there, these deployments we should do in our machine. Okay, suppose some testings are going, suppose some new client is onboarding, okay, and you have to make sure that you are making a platform for your client. Okay, you have your team, or your organization has given you a product to deploy into a machine. Okay, so that is the job of a production support guy. So you have to deploy that in a Tomcat server, right? That is what we need to do it. You need to use NoSQL or a MySQL database, you need to deploy. Sometimes as a production support you need to upgrade from 8 to 9 RHEL. You need to do the patching. Suppose some new releases are coming for a rel 9 or rel 8. If you are running your application in rel 8, some new patches coming, okay, so that you need to upgrade. So that you need to do. Oracle patches are coming, those you need to upgrade. So these are, you need to work on monitoring stuff also. So once you implement, okay, once you install your application on, okay, Tomcat, then finally you need to see whether you are getting the logs or not. Correct? Those logs you need to start monitoring by use of some tools, whether it's a Splunk is there, right? Elk is there, right? You are seeing that data is coming or not. Grafana is there, right? These are the some tools you need to monitor. And there will be a dry run, there is a testing phase. First you implement, there will be a testing phase, then finally that product is going to be in production. That is what called production support. What is wrong with that one? So here you, what all three things, the key things you need to understand. First thing is your Linux, second thing is it could be your AWS cloud, and third thing will be you are using Tomcat, Nginx, you are using MySQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, any sort of a database you are using, right? So these three things you are using in a production support, my friend. You will be working with the incidents, you will be working with service request, right? You will be working with change request, you will be working with problem tickets. So I know everything. This is why I'm telling, so I know what sort of a path I can take you through. So now you need to choose so this is why I'll take you through this path as of now, because I feel if you will be a DevOps engineer going forward. I know most of my subscriber, whenever I put a video, now I'm seeing that one. Whenever I'll try to put a video from the DevOps tool, the views are very less. Uh, okay, Amarnath Reddy. Okay. So, hi, sir. Please do videos on Linux automation scripts and more. That is what, Amarnath. I was coming to your point only. So, my next, see, you have seen one of my course, Linux course is there, right? Which is Linux, Learn Corporate Linux from Zero to Hero course. Okay. So, that is in depth. So, in that one part is missing. I know, Amarnath, that is your self scripting. And why I am taking time to put that video, you guys will believe, because I have a real time script with me. Okay, so if I'll explain you directly that script, none of you will be able to understand. That is a hell lot of a big script where we need to add a sudoers. Inside sudoers file will be adding users. Okay, so before that I need to tell you what exactly a shell scripting is all about. So I'm working on that part. So where I'm making a video that what is a shell scripting and what all things comes under variables, or some small introduction kind of a thing. So suppose, Amarnath, if you are an experienced person, just try to think in my point of view. Okay, how I have to take it. So you know what set of a audience who watches my channel. So he could be a fresher, he could be a 2 years, he could be a 4 years, he could be. So most of you, suppose if somebody already know about scripting, if I can direct put a project into that one, if I'll be directly explaining, okay, here you need to put a user, here you need to, how, if you are putting your username, if you are putting your password, right, it's that script is going to take as a input as your username, as a password as your right. So ultimately, and then the script will start executing. So in the script I have to explain all these steps, what functions I have used, what class I have used, what commands I have used, why I'm using a for loop, why using I am using a while loop over here. So these things I have to explain. But if you are an experienced person, you'll understand. But tell me, if a fresher is there, what he'll understand? So he's not getting anything from that video. So before that, that is what I am telling. So I am making a video, so please, it's a request for all of you, that if I am putting any video, okay, whether it's your interest is or not, okay, I know some, most of you are in my channel is from either from production support or application support or a Linux administrator. But believe me, my friend, you need to travel a path where you need to be you. What you want in your life, you tell me. You want money, obviously, everybody wants money. So why I, because I also told why I started my career as a Linux administrator. See, at some point you need to start from somewhere, okay, then gradually you upscale your career like this. You know, there is something called waterfall model, right? Step by step things will be there. But there is something called agile model also. So now agile model came into the picture. So parallelly you need to learn all these things. I know, just continue the role what you have. If you are application support engineer or a production support engineer, or you are a cloud engineer, or you are a Linux administrator, it's my request, please go, whatever you are doing, do it. But parallelly learn DevOps tool, because you need to come to this field only at last. See, most of the organization, they need to automate things. That is what you are hearing, AI, artificial. So ultimately you need to know. So there are some set of tools which can automate your infrastructure, which can automate your pipeline. By use of those tools, you can automate your work. So work whatever you are doing as of now, but you need to learn other stuffs also parallelly. So this is why I am putting, you can see my videos are like, sometimes I'll put videos in Linux, then suddenly I am putting videos in cloud, then suddenly I am putting videos in Terraform. Reason is why, you know, the reason is that I know views are less also. Even I can see most of you are they don't want to watch because that is not of their interest. So it's not at all about interest, it's the market demand, my friend. We work as, if you want to sustain into this IT industry, don't be discouraged by fewer viewers initially. It's just a beginning, sir. Okay, I know, Kiran. Okay, I know. This is what, Kiran. I know. Definitely. See, my job, as I told you in the starting of this live streaming only, that I am not going to stop myself until unless I'll put whatever I know in my life till now. And I have worked on almost all the tools. Okay, so I am going to put everything what I know into my channel, and I am going to help all my members, whether you are working or not working, to get successful in your career. That is my promise to you. Okay, believe me, because now I have decided, and this is not like that I am into YouTube. No, I have a past background where I was teaching before also. Okay, but due to my health reason, I don't want to discuss those things. But just to let you know, I had a gallbladder surgery during that time. So I stopped everything, my friends. Okay, uh, and then with the God's grace, okay, I came out of that one during COVID time. Okay, and then now I am came up with full confidence. Okay, because I believe in myself, and same thing I wanted to be. Whoever I am going to teach, I want them to be become like that only. Okay, so if so, you should not feel that you are into this IT industry and you are going to lose your job. I don't want to make you like that. That is what my intention is. Okay, this is why I am putting all the tools. I am not focusing on a specific segment, that only I am going to take this set of peoples only, or sorry, people. Okay, no, because I know if you have to grow, you need to learn tools. That is, even in now you have seen so many videos are sponsored videos are coming in YouTube. Learn AI with these many tools, learn AI with that many tools. Okay, it's going to be tools only. So IT industry is like this only, my friend. I remember when I was in Cognizant, okay, and that time suddenly shift is towards DevOps. Okay, so everybody was working on some manual effort. Most of them know some set of work, and they don't wanted to switch from there to DevOps culture. DevOps is what? DevOps is a culture. It's a way of working. That is what I have explained. Okay, so we need to shift. IT industry is very abrupt. It's very I can say more of a, if you have to sustain, then you need to upgrade yourself all the time, you know. Because see, every time there is a new release, you see in operating system also, I have started with 4. It came 5, 6, RHEL 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So it's keep on new releases are coming. This is how the new people will come to IT industry. They will get a job. How you will give jobs to other? If you are upgrading yourself, then only you will. So they should get some work, right, in an organization. This is what called IT, information technology, right? So I okay. Amar Amarnath is telling, sir, great work, sir. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you, Amarnath. So, guys, that is what I am telling. Whoever not joined my membership, if they can join, because see, in a live stage streaming like this, I cannot show you something. I cannot take you walk through also. But in the membership, what I have, because Teams, I am very comfortable with. Even in org level or organization level, we are using Teams. Okay, so in Teams, I can present, I can share my screen, and I can show it to you. Okay, so if you are joining, and I'm for all my members, I'm putting a link all the time. I'm publishing links to invite them to my teams. Okay, they can join that by clicking on that link. Okay, Kiran, if you have not used that link, or whoever become a member, anyways, after this session also, every day, okay, one or twice I am putting that link. Okay, just click on that link, so I'll get a notification in my team, so that as soon as I'll accept that one, so I'm scheduling some meetings every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, fixed 1 hour meeting for all of my members. So please join that one. And from Monday onwards, I can see there are enough members now. Okay, so I can directly start my live classes, or you can say, right? So where I'll be starting mostly with few of them are asking, sir, please start with Jenkins. So I said, Jenkins, if I'll start, then I don't want to jump something directly. Okay, so I'll start with the Linux. That is the base foundation, I always say. And then I'll jump into the cloud part, and then finally I'll start with the DevOps tools. Okay, so that will be your Jenkins only, GitHub only. And there I am going to teach you that directly I'll start. Okay, if you how to install Jenkins, and once you install Jenkins on your AWS cloud, directly we'll create a parameterized pipeline by using Jenkins file, and then we'll automate our jobs, and that job is going to create what your virtual machine in your AWS cloud or instances like this. So I know these are the real-time workflow, my friend. Same way at org level only we are doing. So same thing I am trying to replicate here also. So you will have a great or a great understanding how at org level we work. I can see there are 10 members joined. So guys, if you can tell me your name, so uh, it will be good. Okay, friends, you have any questions? I have so much of patience, my friend, because I know I am not like others. I have already crossed almost 12 years, right? So I know, because I came from a path at very ground level. Okay, so I know things how much matter, who don't have a job, okay, or who is already having a job, or he wants to upscale his career. So I've gone through all these phases, okay. So I know what sort of a dilemma you are, what sort of a queries you are, okay. So yes, people are there who can sort out your queries and doubts, but for everything they are charging something. So no, I'm not like them. Okay, you can come and you can directly ask your questions here. Ch, I wish good luck for your health. Thank you. Can you tell me your name? Thank you. Sahid. Thank you, Sahid. Thank you for this one. Okay. Yes, I wish. That is what even I am also. Okay. So I had a very. So this is what there is the lifestyle. What we are. This is also one good thing. So now I am putting effort into like doing some kind of exercise and all. Okay. So we need to put effort, my friend. We know entire life we are putting to get a job, right? To at last, once you get a job, then you will be all the time you will be frustrated that how I'll get promotion, how I'll get more money, like this. So we are in a loop. We are all time, every time we are not coming out of loop, we are in a loop only. Okay, and then finally you will get married. You'll what will happen maximum, you, so after that you you have kids, okay, so you'll be busy with your work, with your family. You are not able to come out of that one. So life is all about this only, but most important is that you should do some kind of a exercise. Please take out your time, some at least half an hour every day. That is what I understand. Okay, if you want to be sustain your life very peacefully, then you need to work out. So Kiran sir, always my questions will be same. I am preparing for the interview. I got 2 years of experience. What type of a question and main topics to concentrate, for which role? Okay, Linux administrator. So for you, Kiran, you can go through that mock interview. I think Manish one I have taken, that is mostly between for 2 to 4 years. Manish is having hardly I think 3.5 years of experience. Okay, he is one of my member, and the interview what I have taken for him. So you can focus on I have some one, how many questions I have already put for Linux 100 plus interview. It's I think 130 questions I have already put, right? So please go through. I think 100 questions is enough for you, Kiran, to go for 2 years of even first 50 questions are enough for you, because those questions are not dedicated from one topic. In first 100 questions, or I think 80 questions, first 80 questions are mixed questions. Okay, and you can go through that questions, that will be enough for you according to me. Okay, 80 questions, Manish. Okay, 80 questions, I'll write it. Sorry, I'm sorry, I'm calling you Manish. Kiran. Okay, 80 questions, Kiran. Kiran, just go through these 80 questions enough. Okay, and then I can take your mock interview after that. Are you willing to give your mock interview? Now only I can take your mock interview if you want. I see. Thank you so much, sir. Got it. Okay. So I am ready. I am not like others, man. Okay. I no need to prepare for anything, because when I started my career, don't worry, Manish. Sorry, don't worry, Kiran. I am not going to take your mock interview now. I'll guide you also how to prepare for that one. You join my anyways, you will be there in from tomorrow on. Tomorrow is Monday, right? So and tomorrow I think most of you Christmas is there. So Merry Christmas, okay, whoever, and Happy New Year. New Year is coming soon. So I'm not sure if you will be willing to join, but anyways, from tomorrow onwards, I'll start. Try to join that session. Whoever is joining as a member. So I'll take your mock interview if you are okay, but before that I need to see. Okay, I'm not like others that directly, like a doctor, what he'll do first, he'll check you. Okay, where exactly you are, where is the pain, whether you are a pain in your hand, whether you have pain in your stomach or in your head. So I need to see at what stage where you are lacking first. So first I'll make you to come to a level where you can give your interview, Kiran. Don't worry. Definitely, I think it won't take much time. If you are going for a Linux administrator job, immediately you will crack. So hardly one in one session, I'll tell you about your resume. Another session, I'll tell you how to prepare, and third, I'll take your mock interview. Okay, even if you are not okay with the first mock interview, I'll take your another mock interview. What else you want, tell me. Okay, so don't worry about that one. That will be there. uh, Yogesh, thank you Yogesh for joining as a member. So guys, join more and more as a member. Okay, and yeah, that is what I'll tell you. If you join more and more as a member, so I am preparing Linux administrator. Yogesh, you are also preparing Linux administrator. Good. But guys, again, I am telling you, I see, I don't want you to be like, see, you go, because to start a career, you need to be somewhere. You need to learn everything. Take experience 1 or 2 year or 3 year as a Linux administrator, then move on to a cloud. Saket Roshan, sir, what about data science? Okay, so thank you, Saket, for joining this session. Okay. For data science, it's a demand in currently in current trend. Okay. But for that one, I would suggest there are you can connect with me as a offline. For that one, I'll guide you for, because this session I am dedicated for most of my subscriber or whoever not subscribed to my channel. Okay, they are from either Linux background or they are from cloud background or they are from DevOps tools. But data science is an emerging technology nowadays. Data analyst as a role you can do. Okay, so data science I don't teach, Saket. Okay, so for that, I would say you that there are few universities. Okay, so there are some already you have heard about some of the classes they are doing it for data science. So through that you can go through. But my intention is you should be get a job, or you should be able to upscale your career. Thank you, Saket, for okay. So sir DevOps, who is that? Sahinur Zaman. Okay, Sahinur, is that your name? DevOps. So for DevOps, what is your question, Sahinur? DevOps, that is what I am telling. Sahinur, if you have already, okay. So to answer means I am not understanding your question, Sahinur. Okay. So first of all, DevOps means what you want to know about in DevOps, whether the technology point of view or any tools point of view, or you wanted to know whether it's a good career to be in DevOps or not. What is your question? Anshu Singh, sir, how to get a job in Linux? Anshu, what else I'll tell you? See, I have already put a 130 questions. I can guarantee, I can challenge anyone. Okay, please go ahead and find those questions. Okay, you'll not get those questions. Why? Because those, even you go, okay, Google it. Okay, you'll not get those questions. Why? The reason behind that one, those are my real time. Okay, the interview which I have faced in when I started my career, I kept those questions. Okay, I carried those questions till now. Okay, so okay, one second. I was just going through. Somebody was asking something. So that is what. So those questions are enough for Ansu. You please go through that question. There is already I have a playlist. that Linux, learn corporate Linux from zero to hero course. Okay. And by going through that course, in that one only one thing is pending, that is shell scripting with a real time project that I'm going to put soon. And the other part is that real that is Linux 100 plus interview question and answer. That's it, you are done. And after that also you have a problem, please join my membership. I'm not forcing you to join. If you are willing to join, please join my membership. And there I can take up your mock interview. I can You can work with me in your resume. And then after that also I'll show you how to upload your resume in Naukri. And then finally you are done. Okay. And what else you want from me, I'll refer you also. That's it. I Okay. This much I can do it for you guys. Okay. That's it. Durgesh sir, please tell scope of SRE, site reliability engineer in future. Yes, Durgesh, there is a lot of role for site reliability engineer. There is a video also I am going to put soon, because I have seen most of you are confused with, sir, what is a role? What is a system integration engineer, SI engineer? What is a implementation engineer? Arey, bhai, everything is same. Okay, no need to. Future is there, Durgesh, but at the same time, I told you, like a system, or you need to upgrade your operating system, you need to upgrade your software. So we need to learn some set of tools, Durgesh. So parallelly those tools, please, that is what I don't see. You cannot stick with something. Future scope is there. Okay, definitely for a site reliability engineer. Most of the site reliability engineer is working as a production support, okay, or a implement or a system integration engineer, Durgesh. But to come to the mainstream, that is what I'm telling. Just now Saket asked me a question, going forward what it will be there. Okay, Saket Roshan was asking me a question, sir, can you tell me the so why I told Saket that Saket, connect with me offline, because see, if immediately I'll take you to something, okay, what is the mainstream as of now it's going on. So just go with the flow as of now, parallelly, and you will meet up with somewhere. Okay, so at that point of a time you need to learn something else. So it's all about switching from one boat to the other boat. This is how you need to do it, the Durgesh, for your question. Okay, so yes, whatever you are doing, fine, but parallelly you need to start learning the course which is more familiar to the work what you are doing currently, the role you are doing currently. See, if I'll tell you about myself, see, I started as a Linux administrator. I could have directly jump into Java developer. No, why I have not done that one? Because see, it's a human tendency. Try to understand, you will not grasp something if I'll directly put you as a Linux administrator to a Java developer, he won't be able to work, correct? But if I'll start from a Linux, then I'll switch him to a cloud, and then from cloud I'll ask him to switch it to DevOps tool, and from DevOps tool I'll ask him to switch it to automation, how to do automation. And then from there, automation is what answering, coming to the question of your Saket is asking me, sir, data science. Okay, so then from there you need ML, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and then finally, who is behind this all? Your Python. So when you start automating from a Linux administrator to a cloud engineer, and from cloud engineer you are coming to DevOps tool, and from there you are upscaling your career to a automation engineer, and from there you start, and now you can switch it from there. So you can, if you have to climb something, then you need to go step by step. If you directly want to climb, then you are responsible. Okay, so take things slowly. I know things cannot be immediately. It's not like some kind of a volcano. You do something and you'll be get blasted. You'll start getting, no. It will take time, but the thing is, you should not stop learning. So Saket, I think I have answered your question also. And Ansu, I think I have answered your question also. Durgesh, I have answered your question also. So I have combined all these questions into one question and I have answered your questions. So okay, then for a fresher and having gap is okay to learn DevOps. This is my question, sir. Yes, Sahinur, that is, it doesn't make any sense. In, if you go few of my previous live session, you will come to know it's absolutely fine. Okay, to what I can say, if you have a gap also, okay, that doesn't matter. I'll tell you, one of my member, he is having 11 years of gap. Now he's getting job. What else you want? Okay, so Gurudev, please don't mind. I share your live session on my LinkedIn profile. Absolutely fine. It's, see, I please share my videos to more and more people. That is what I want. But please don't download it and tell that it's your video. Okay, that will be a copyright issue, and you will be in trouble. Okay, Yogesh. So you can share my to others. That is what I want from you. So everybody should get benefit out of it. Anshu Singh, sir, I learned Linux, but at time of mock interview, I am confused what to do. Please come join my membership, Anshu. I'll take your mock interview. You don't worry. The kind of confidence I'll give you when you'll be giving the mock interview, that is enough. Okay. So you 100% you will be able to crack. It's all about, there is a fear inside us. See how I am talking to you. You know how I am talking to you without seeing you. I am coming video live with you. So there are some ways I'll tell you how you can overcome your fear, and you can, right? So how to take your mock interview, I need support. And so you can join my membership, you can join, you can come and join my tomorrow member. If I'm already putting a link, Teams link, where I'm inviting all my members in Teams. I'm scheduling call for them 1 hour every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, and they can join my session, and there I'm taking their mock interview. Okay, Sahinur, how to talk with you, sir? I need to talk to you. It's crucial. So, Sahinur, see, I can give my number, but it's going to be a problem if I can give my number here. So at least, so what I'll suggest, please come and join. You can join my membership. Okay, so there you can connect with me one to one. Okay, I don't have any problem there. Okay, and I can share my screen to show you something. Here in live streaming it is very difficult. In, I don't know, in YouTube. Okay, so here there is no functionality to share. And if you come and join there, so even I can record those session, and later on you can hear the session also. So Anshu Singh, how to take your mock interviews? Anshu, I have answered your question. You can join my membership. Durgesh Kohli, thank you, sir. Anshu Singh, how to join your membership? So in my channel only, Anshu, there is a link. If you go through in the description, so I have already put a link for channel membership. You can click on that one and you can join my membership, Anshu. Okay. So this is how you can join. Even if you don't know uh, what you can do maximum, I'll tell you. So you can put a comment. 1 second, Anshu, here only let me put, it will be easy for you to, 1 second, guys. uh yeah, Anshu, I have given. Okay, so you can, by clicking on this, you can join my membership. That is fine. And Sahinur members means, sir, start it's, yeah, I don't have any labels and all, Sahinur. I am, see, that is what I am not like other YouTubers. Somebody will somebody will put like what they will do, they'll put label wise. Okay, like you have, I'm not criticizing someone. Okay, but I don't have any other members. I have only standard members. So you can join that one. Okay, so it will be only one. That is hardly, it is just now Kirana answer, it's hardly 150 rupees. It's less than a pizza or a burger. You will spend in a day, you will spend more than some 500 rupees. It is less than that. Okay, So you can click on this one, you can join that one as a member. Okay. So Poonam, Tejasri, where we get the link, sir? Poonam, just now I have put that one. Once again, let me put that one in the chat itself. I'm not sure whether you guys are getting or not. How many mock interview we done in membership? Until unless you'll not prepare, don't worry about me. I am not going to get fed up. You will be going to get fed up. That is what my promise. Okay. See, I have taken more than 300 plus interviews, Ansu. Okay. It's like not only for Linux, for DevOps also. In my current organization, I am the only guy who's taking DevOps as a final interview for my team, of who is having 1000. You can, the strength of my current project is of 1000. I cannot, it's very top. You go and you, if you go through my LinkedIn profile, you come to know for what organization I am working, how many employees are there. Okay. And what project I cannot tell you because of confidential policy and all. But I can tell you, I am the person who is responsible for the entire DevOps. Okay. I am not like others, simply like other YouTubers who will say. But honestly, I am doing this one. So I am taking interview. If you will ask me while sleeping also, I can take your interview. Okay. And even I can give interview also. I'm not afraid of that one. Okay. So that is fine. So that is what I am telling Ansu. How many mock interviews? I don't have a limit for that one. You tell me how many you can give. Okay. You tell me how many you can give. I can ask. I have so many questions. Okay. So this is what. Okay, sir, I'll join your membership. That's fine, Ansu. I'm not forcing anyone. It's totally up to you. And those who are willing to join my membership, guys, I think I have already, I'm very, because I always say time is money for us, because I give very importance to the time. So I know I have joined some 4 or 5 minutes late, so I'll be here for another 3 4 minutes, so you can shoot your question fastly, so I can answer your question, my friend, because I have some other work. This is your work only. See, I need to prepare some videos for you after this, and I need to put up for you only. Okay, that is one thing. I'm asking about, sir, tomorrow class link. Okay. So tomorrow class link, Poonam, have you joined? Because if you will be member, then only you will be here. I cannot put because only the member only are going to get that link. That is a Teams link. Okay, and by if you click on that link, I'll get an invite. Means I'll get a notification from the Teams, and then I'll accept that one. Then you will be directly join my scheduled calls. Do you have any course for Linux? Yes, it is there, Sainur. 1 second. It is, you can go through in the playlist. Guys, are you not able to see my courses? I in my channel itself, it's there in the playlist. Okay, I'm not sure why, because I have put everything, so it will be easy for you. Uh, it is Learn Linux, Sainur. It is there already. Okay, let me put the first video, so you can go through the complete, just see whether you are able to access or not the complete list, because I have given it 62 videos are there. Just let me know. uh, we can see all playlist. See, Kiran is telling, Sahinur, just click on this link. That is what my concern is. I am not hiding anything from you, don't worry, you guys. I'm very honest with my things. Even for the members, what I'm telling, for them only I'm telling directly. Okay. Even if you go to the members video, there is no video for members, because I am taking their live session. Once you join the session, I joined membership, but not reflect. I think it's going to take some time. Today Sunday is there, so that might will take some time. Amarnath, don't worry about that one. No, no, no. I don't have any paid courses, Sainur. I don't do like that. Okay. I have not at all. I am not like others. That is what in the starting of the session I told few YouTubers they'll charge. No, I'm not going to do it. I am going to take live session. I'm happy with that one. If you join my live session, live classes, membership, there, see, there is some nominal fee that is very less. Okay, once you join the membership, you will start there. Okay, so there you can see, that is what Yogesh is saying. Free, all videos 100% free. It is, my course is absolutely free. There is no none of the video. Kiran, you are getting free courses. Why you guys are asking for paid one? Okay. Okay, guys, thank you for your time. And I'm ending up the session here. Okay, we'll meet up with another live streaming. Till then, Jai Hind, my friend, and bye bye.